A sealed system repair on a Kenmore refrigerator. There was already a sealed system repair done on the refrigerator, meaning the line dryer had already been installed. They had a hole in the line dryer. So I replaced that line dryer, pressurized it with nitrogen at about 250 pounds per square inch gauge. I then pulled a deep vacuum around 300 microns. And after we pulled our vacuum, we are now charging the system with 5.5 ounces of 134A liquid refrigerant. And it's already cooling.